My name is Emma. It is summer break. Today, I travel alone. I check my passport and my tickets. I feel ready.
It is time to leave. My journey begins. I take a taxi to the airport. The city moves slowly.
I look out the window and think about the trip.
Soon, I arrive at the airport.
I wait in line and watch the people around me.
Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Good morning. Sure, here you are.
Are you checking in this bag?
Yes, just one suitcase.
Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is number 22.
Thank you.
Gate 22? Yes, this is my flight. May I see your boarding pass, please?
Sure. Here you go.
Welcome aboard. Thank you.
Excuse me.
Oh, sorry. This is my first solo trip.
Welcome to London.
Okay, I'm here.
Excuse me, how can I get to the city center?
You can take a taxi or the metro.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is. This is my hotel.
Good evening. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to check in, please. I have a reservation under the name Emma. All right, let me check. Here is your key card.
Thank you very much.
Your room is on the 3rd floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10.
Great, thank you.
Wow, this room is nice. What a beautiful view. London looks so beautiful from above.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. I love this place. What flavor would you like?
Chocolate, please.
This is really good. London feels busy, but beautiful. Excuse me, could you take a photo for me?
Of course.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I have only seen this place in photos. There is so much life here. Excuse me, how much is this?
It is £5.
Okay, I will take one. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
I like this peaceful place.
That's strange. Oh no. I can't get back to the hotel.
Are you okay? Do you need help?
My phone isn't working. I can't book a taxi.
I understand. I'll call a taxi for you.
Here it is.
Thank you so much. I hope this can be fixed. Thank you. Excuse me, do you know a place to fix phones?
Actually, our staff member can help you.
It's working now.
Thank you. I'm really relieved.
Thanks to everyone I met today, I understand something important. This trip teaches me, being alone does not mean being lonely.